Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. So this is a two-piece hair catcher for a drain. These are made out of silicone. And if you ever had a drain clogged up because of hair, you'll know that that is not a fun thing to go through. And hopefully you can take care of it with some Drano, and at the best case scenario, worst case scenario, you have to hire a plumber to come fix that. So that's not very fun. But what this is a collapsible silicone drain, and you can just set it up right over your plug just like this, and it just sets on there. It's got a heavy portion up here, kind of this metallic thing on top. It gives a little bit of weight, so if you put it on there, it's going to keep the water from moving that aside and having your stuff drain down onto there. So that's really cool. Like I said, this is collapsible, so you can just fold it up in this smaller area if you want to, and just set it like up on top of your shower curtain or whatever like that. You could probably even put a little hook on there. But some of the drain plugs that sit down inside the drain get kind of moldy and junk like that. And this should eliminate that problem because you just set it up on top, and then you can hose it off or whatever, collect the hair, get it off of there, and make sure that there's not a bunch of stuff getting caught on there. As you can see, that's pretty nice. It's got it's a nice thick silicone there. We'll test it out here and make sure it works real good, and see how much of the hair it actually stops.
Well friends, here is the new one, and this is the old one. And like I said, look, you can get some mold and junk on there because it's down in there. So if we open this up and place it right like that, and I hope you guys appreciate that. I cut my hair a little bit for the video, so we got some hair here, a little bit of a trim, and now let's see how well that works here. So throw that on there. Turn the shower on here. Okay, well, it looks like it's collecting on there pretty good. Doesn't look like any hair's really getting under there. I think the water drains a little bit slower, but that's a lot of hair, like clogging it up too. So with this, you can just lift that off, take the hair away, and rinse this off. And then instead of having it set down in the drain, you can just put it on the ledge here and let that air dry, and then it's not going to get all moldy like that. But it looks like it's preventing the hair from getting on there fairly well. It's pretty nice. There's not anything like going up underneath there. It makes a nice seal. This has just enough weight on there where it's making this seal press down all the way around the edges. You can see it's collecting the hair on there too. Obviously this isn't a super realistic amount of hair that you're gonna have. This is just a lot of really short hair. Most of it's gonna be like, I don't know, probably wouldn't be like that much. I've pretty much trimmed all the hair off the sides of my head or whatever, just but only like a 1/4 inch. So obviously just gonna stop it up a little more as you have all these little ports here. But it should be pretty easy to just clean off of here. Basically just take your finger and swipe that off, maybe take a paper towel, clean it off, and you're good to go. But yeah, it looks like it's pretty much prevented anything from getting down there. So that's kind of nice. It's not fun to clean up a hair mess. So with that being said, this is easy to pick up as well. You can just take it out of there. You could like probably a paper towel would be the easiest. Just wipe it off and you're good to go. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope it is useful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Yeah, so I just grab a paper towel, and then you can see it's easiest to just grab the hair and clean it up nicely, no problems, and then just kind of rinse off whatever's left and then set it on the top to air dry.